Jambo ndugu msikilizaji na mtazamaji. We are here because of Stoke Diaspora SACCO ambao watakuwa na event hapa siku ya Jumapili. Kwa hivyo leo nina mwenyekiti wao, nataka tueleze what is this Stoke na wamekuja hapa kufanya nini, na vile vile how can we join if we want to join. So I want to welcome Bwana Chairman ili atueleze ni nini kinaendelea katika Stoke SACCO. Bwana Chairman,
asante.
Habari yako bwana?
Nzuri kabisa.
Introduce yourself to my viewers.
Okay, my name is Dr. Isaiah Oino. I'm the current chair of Stoke Diaspora SACCO, a society that has been running for the last 9 good years.
Stoke Diaspora SACCO.
Yes.
Hiyo inamaanisha nini Stoke?
Stoke is a city in the UK.
Oh, okay.
Now, originally we were only operating in the UK up to the year 2019. We then opened the common bond to include any Kenyan in anywhere, any part of the world can join us.
So mulianza lini Stoke Diaspora?
We started in the year 2017, June, and we've been running successfully in the last 9 years. And now we have members across the world.
Wow. What's your membership like? Mko wangapi hivi, something like that?
We currently reaching over 800 members.
800 members?
Yes, yes, yes.
All in the diaspora or UK peke?
Wow, we have members, as I mentioned, in the entire world. In fact, guess what? We have members in Kenya who have never left Kenya, but they decided to join us. We have members in the UK, we have members in the US, Australia, Canada. We have even members from South Africa. We have members in Germany. We are truly diaspora.
Say diaspora and members from Kenya.
I think they must have noticed something that is unique about our society. Yes.
So how do I join? How do I become a member?
It's a simple form that you need to complete it online. Everything we do is digital. In fact, although we've been running for the last 9 years, we leverage on technology. So you go onto our website, www.stokediasporasacco.com, and click join now. And you complete the form, which will take you around 3 minutes, and you're done.
Kwa yule ambaye hajaenda kwa online, so what are some of the qualifications so that maybe ajue kama kuna registration fee there? What is needed?
What is needed? Okay, so the first thing is that you must be a Kenyan. Once you're a Kenyan, you go online, you complete the form, which will require you to submit your ID, either your ID or the Kenyan passport, and you pay your registration fee. We currently have our registration fee of 10,000. But for the purpose of this AGM, yes, Kenyan shillings. For the purpose of the AGM that is taking place on Sunday, in this place, Metro SDH, our registration fee has been reduced or discounted to only 5,000 Kenyan shillings.
5,000 Kenyan shillings.
That's right.
Well, do you have a monthly contribution after that?
Yes. Every single month, we encourage every member to contribute 10,000 Kenyan shillings at minimum. You can contribute more. But the minimum we have signed within our bylaws is 10,000 Kenyan shillings. The more you contribute, the more you borrow. And why I say that is because we give 4 times your savings. Most SACCOs in Kenya, they give 3 times. But our Stoke Diaspora SACCO, we gave you 4 times your savings.
Do you have like a nominal shares, minimum number of shares somebody needs to acquire before becoming a member?
Yes. For you to become a member, you have to buy minimum 5 shares. Each share is 10,000 Kenyan shillings,
10,000. So
which is equivalent to 50,000.
Okay.
You can pay immediately, or you have 6 months to contribute towards that minimum shares. You can buy more, but the minimum is 50,000 Kenyan shillings.
So this contribution, does it go towards your savings or towards buying more shares? Or let me see the connection between the monthly contribution and the shares.
Now, the shares don't count towards your loan. But your saving every month counts towards your loan, and that is why I mentioned the minimum. The more you save, we multiply 4 times. Your share contribution defines you as a member of this great society.
If I want to be a member and I don't like contributing per month, but I want to give like a lump sum for a year, let me say I give maybe 100,000 once and then I relax. Is that allowed?
Absolutely, absolutely. We do have members in the month of January, they contribute 120,000 and they're done. But of course, along the way, you might reach around June, you get something, you top up whatever you have contributed.
Wow.
So that's allowed, lump sum contribution, as long as you do 10,000 every month.
Well, Chairman, there are a lot of SACCOs nowadays.
Yes.
What will, ni nini kitanivuta ili ni join your SACCO?
Well, number one is that we leverage on technology. You remember I mentioned that although we've been operating for the last 9 years, we leverage on our technology. One of the things you do is that once you become a member, you'll have your members portal. Your members portal is your bank account where you see all the transactions. When you send your money, we have now integrated our bank account with our system. You use the number, 9191 is our magic number, plus your account number. Wherever you contribute goes straight onto your members portal. There are many SACCOs that have been operating for the last even 20 years or 50 years. You have to manually send the receipt to show that you've done that. That's number one. Number two, our products are tailored to the diaspora and the ordinary Kenyans. So although, yes, there is a high entry barrier, but we have tailored our products. For instance, we have holiday savings. So I don't know how long you've been in the US, but you know, ikifika wakati December, you need to go back maybe in Kenya. We have holiday savings that you can save gradually. Ikifika December, you can go to Kenya and you have your own holiday savings. But also our board distribution. Our board members, they're not just based in the UK, they're not just based in Kenya, they're not based in the US. Our board members are distributed across the world. Why? That might seem to be very simple because it doesn't really matter. No, it does, because people in the US, they have a different experience from the people in the UK. The people in Canada as well. So we have board members in the US. In fact, our vice chair is based in the US here. Wow. We have board members in Canada, we have board members in Kenya, and we have board members in the UK.
Wow. Wow. So which kind of, are you talking about products that you offer? Other than holiday savings, what else do you offer to your members? So
we do have a holiday savings that is very dear to my heart. We do have the main savings that every member must save minimum 10,000. We do have fixed deposit account. I have been in the UK more than 20 years. I'm not going to mention how many years because you start thinking how old I am. But I've been in the UK for many years. It's very, very difficult to save. And people work so hard. I wonder, why will you work so hard and leave your money in your current account? We open a fixed deposit account where you fix your money for a period of time and we give you interest. Wow. We also have children account. If you have a child or you have children, you can open the account. That is something that I admire about the Asians. You know, an Asian who's got a child of about 18 years, they tend to reach at 19, they have a house. How? Because their parents took care of them when they were young. They opened an account, they started saving gradually. By the time they reach 18, they have a springboard. They have somewhere to start. Wow. That is why we started children account. So we have children account, main savings, holiday savings, and fixed deposit account.
Wow, 800 members. How safe is their money?
Well,
because we hear about embezzlement everywhere, and maybe, you know, when you hear about money, people think naturally, they think that, oh, my money, how safe is it? So how safe is their money?
Well, your money will be saved with Stoke Diaspora SACCO because of our corporate governance and our systems that we have in place. We are among the 3 regulated diaspora SACCOs. So apart from having our internal system that is robust, we have also SASRA that keep on auditing our account on quarterly basis. We submit 18 different reports. Right? Okay. And these, within our board of directors itself, we have corporate governance, we have the policies that stipulates at what stage money comes from the account. We have system in place to safeguard your funds. I know it's not just only you who is in the diaspora who work so hard. Kenyans who are in Kenya, they work so hard. So every single penny you work, it's a sweat. And that is why my responsibility as a chair, I called Nairobi office and I say, I remove my heart and I say, that 1 Kenyan shilling that I send you, at the end of the year, either it remains 1 Kenyan shillings or it grows. I wouldn't want it to remain 1 Kenyan shillings, but I would rather remain 1 Kenyan shillings than not reduce.
I see. So, investment opportunities. I hear some SACCOs go to maybe invest in buying a piece of land and other things. Do you have another investment opportunities that can attract the people to join your SACCO?
Absolutely, absolutely. So we do have what we call Stoke Investment PLC, which is a company, a sister company for the society. And this we formed in the year 2020 as a result of Regulation 2020, which restricted on what the society can do. In terms of investment, we can only invest up to 10% on land and properties. So in this case, we restrict investment on land and properties to Stoke Investment PLC.
Wow, wow. So, Mr. Chair, I don't want us to exhaust everything because we want people to come here and know more and listen more, because we're going to be live on Sunday.
Yes.
People will be watching. Now, what is that one thing that you want your viewers, your listeners to know this evening before we went up?
Something that I want you to know, something I want you to know is that your money will be saved with Stoke Diaspora SACCO. We are regulated. We have a robust system. We leverage on technology. We know how hardworking you are, and we reward you for your effort. So any money that you save earns interest. We don't promise you to give you 30% interest, but we give you something decent to compensate for your time and inflation. So come on Sunday. If you have any question about Stoke Diaspora SACCO, any investment, please come and ask us. Something again that I want to say, by the way, is that we are truly more than the SACCO. What do I mean by this? Is that if you have a business, we offer financial advice, right? My colleague, the treasurer, is a finance. I am a finance, so within the board itself, we have a finance team that can offer you free financial advice for your business.
Wow.
Especially if you are intending to start business, please come and speak to us. It doesn't matter. You may come and speak to us and you don't want to join. That is something that we give freely to the community. Hata kama utaki kujoin na unataka kuanza biashara, kucha ongea na sisi, tuulize, tukuambie hivi na hivi na hivi.
I saw something regulated non-WDT SACCO. What does that mean?
Now, I did mention that we are the three largest diaspora regulated. So regulated by SASRA. SASRA is SACCO Society Regulatory Authority.
That's what I wanted to talk about. But
this regulates major SACCOs in Kenya.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good. I think you have answered my question.
Asante sana.
See you on Sunday.
See you on Sunday.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
See you on Sunday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bwana Stephen Onyambu.
Hello, Bwana.
Where I come from, Onyambu. Onyambu, you know what it means. do you change colors? Do we see something else and then get something else?
No, rangi yangu ni hii nyeupe na hii blue na hii green.
Bwana Onyambu, how did the Diaspora SACCO begin? Stoke Diaspora SACCO.
Yes, we started off as a group within the Seventh-day Adventist Church Fellowship in the UK.
In the UK.
So these are people used to meet every quarter.
To invite me, I like singing. Maybe just go on.
Yes.
Maybe I'll make my own invitation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we used to meet together quarterly in different towns in the UK to encourage each other, to cultivate a sense of community, and to talk about religion and community and togetherness. And then this idea came about. Mbona tusianze our own SACCO, because whenever a member kona shida, we have to continue raising money. Changa hii, tusaidie huyu alete mtoto UK.
A lot of experience in that.
Exactly.
That's what we were doing.
Huyu amepata shida fulani, mbona mtu mchangie. Then members said, why don't we have a structured way of saving together, cultivate a culture of saving monthly, and then have a structured way of lending out loans to members. Ili mtu akitaka pesa anasaidika, pesa ziko karibu, ziko tayari, anasaidika. That's how we started in 2017. We were registered in June 2017 in Kenya and officially became a SACCO. We started off with about 20 members. That grew to about 100. Soon enough, we opened up our boundaries of operation, and we're able to common bond, that's the word I'm looking for, common bond. And we got members from the US, Canada, Australia. Now we have Kenyans from all over the world coming together in one SACCO.
So did you do away with the benevolence fund, or what did you do about it?
No, we still have a benevolence fund. At the moment, we are looking forward to launching. We've already had the policy tabulated out. We have the registration form. We've opened an account. Now we are looking forward to getting members to register formally into a benevolence fund for Stoke Diaspora SACCO. In this fund, members will be contributing a prescribed amount every month, and then from this amount, whenever a member is bereaved, they'll be able to receive an amount towards their bereavement, towards the funeral support, towards the travel expenses to Kenya, so that we are members who care for each other, all for one and one for all.
Your members are distributed, scattered. So what is your common currency? How are you going to do it? Kenyan shillings, US, UK?
Oh yes, so that's something we thought about right from the beginning. We have members from different countries. Some of them are running in dollars, like here in the US, some from pounds, like in the UK. So what we do is that we run in one currency, and that is the Kenyan shilling. So wherever you are, whether you are based in which country, you send your money the way you normally send your money home to an account. If you use Wave, you use SendWave. If you use Lemfi, you send your money to our account, and then we're able to credit it to your account. But we also have, as Chairman mentioned, we have a system that we've now introduced, which has really improved the way we get members contributing the money. So with 9191, your code and your membership account number, you're able to send money directly to our bank account. And then you don't have to send even your receipt. We know that that money came from you.
Wow.
Which is a very progressive way of doing things.
Where do you see this SACCO in 5 years to come?
We are growing big by God's grace. We are not beating our own drum, but the way you know how something is going to progress is how it has done in the past, the track record. Our track record is that we've grown consistently since 2017 from 20 members, as I told you at the beginning, to currently going towards 800 members. And that trajectory is bound to continue increasing as we've upped up our systems and we've continued to expand our processes of marketing. So we are looking forward towards growing to become a billion shilling SACCO. Right now, we are hundreds of millions SACCO, but we are looking forward to become a billion shilling SACCO. That means getting more members to be able to benefit from loans, that can help them, open businesses, bring their members of their families abroad for education, be able to expand whatever enterprises they have. Loans that can help members get into the property ladder. There are members today who are borrowing money from the SACCO and buying flats in Kenya, and those flats have become sources of cash flow to them. And also, members now are cultivating a saving culture. There are members who barely had any money to speak about, saved, but now they can confidently tell you that Mimi, niko na million saved in Stoke Diaspora SACCO, which is a big thing.
Wow.
Yes.
Your last word to our viewers this evening.
Yes, so thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I would like to encourage you to please continue in the culture of Stoke Diaspora SACCO, which is saving and borrowing loans so that you can continue to grow yourself economically. I'd like to invite you who is watching this video who has not joined the SACCO. Maybe you're not a member of a SACCO anywhere. This is your home. Please attend the AGM on Sunday. If you can come physically, better. If you're not able to attend physically, you can attend online. We'll be streaming on social media. We'll be on Zoom as well, so that you learn more about the SACCO. Join our SACCO, become a regular saver, benefit from affordable loans, and flourish together with us at Stoke Diaspora SACCO. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Bwana Joshua, I hear you are Mr. Finance.
I am Mr.
Don't forget to leave me with a pound before you go, because here we talk about dollars, you talk in pounds.
Yeah.
So Chair said that the money is safe.
The money is very safe. We've laid the strategy, technology, very strong, and the standards, the policies we have, and the way we operate. We have a governing council, for example, a statutory, like a supervisory board which supervises me. And then we have SACCO, as Chair mentioned earlier, and then we have an external auditor. Like now, as we go into the AGM, our financial records have been audited by the external auditor. They have been checked by SACCO and been signed off. So we can comfortably say we have put the records how they should be.
Wow. So are you, I don't want to enter more into it, but you seem to have a knowledge on finance.
Yes, I'm qualified, certified, chartered, and I think finance in terms not only of operations but strategy. Like now, I am very happy with what we have done as a SACCO. That's why when the Honorable Secretary said we are looking towards becoming a 1 billion SACCO.
Wow.
To me, that is not an illusion. It is something I see us doing. In the trajectory we are in, how we have grown tremendously in the last 9 years. If we continue this way, in the next 5 years, we will be a billion SACCO.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I did some accounting, so
it is interesting. Yeah.
I'm kind of thinking about, the SACCOs that give money to anybody.
Yeah.
But now I can see why Mr. Chair was very comfortable saying, "Oh, our money is safe."
It is.
Because you know what you're doing, and it is your field.
Yeah.
What is that one thing that you want our members to know? Your members to know, I'm going to join anyway.
Yeah.
So I want to take advantage of the 5,000 I hear you're talking about. So what is that one thing you want our members to know? Maybe you can face the camera.
I want members to know that their money is safe. We have the policies, we have the standards. So when you come to invest, you don't come to invest and then walk away. Our members are part and parcel of everything that we do. They participate in the policies that we develop. We have meetings regularly, monthly, for example, even some weekly, to inform the members on how we are doing. So every step we make, we ask our members, where do we want? Or which area do you want? So, and we try to diversify. We invest in various areas to limit exposure to risk. So in terms of how we look into strategy, in terms of our investments, I think we are in a very strong position. And I would like to encourage members, those who are, especially if you are in Arlington, Texas, please come to this venue here, Metro Community SDA. Join us on Sunday as we celebrate our 9th annual general meeting. If you are online, please join us. I would love to see all of you. And as a treasurer, I like ideas. What else can we do? We have to be a 1 billion SACCO in the next 5 years. Thank you.
Thank you, members. This Sunday at Metro Community SDA Church, located next to AT&T and off Highway I-30. Actually, we are at the center, at the heart of Arlington, and therefore 1211 Tharnish Drive in Arlington, Texas. That's where we are, and the link is going to be down here. The address is going to be here so that you can come and join us 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Sunday. That is the time that we're meeting this Sunday with Stoke Diaspora SACCO. Wanasema now it is prorated. Now imetoka 10,000 to 5,000 registration. Why can't you come and get to know more, at the same time take advantage of this discount before it goes? I'm Orin Onti for AGR News, and thank you for joining us. See you on Sunday.